The focus of ACORE is the agency of change in old industrial regions of Europe. Such regions have been left behind and became places of discontent. Therefore, we need a better understanding of regional development and the formation of new development paths focusing on human agency. We study 10 cases in the East and the West to reflect on diversity of Europe and to bridge the existing divides between and within countries, covering Germany, the Czech Republic, Hungary, Sweden, and the United Kingdom.
The case of Kiruna show how municipalities heavily dependent on mining have still managed to create new paths towards tourism and space industry through actions of policymakers and entrepreneurs. Yet, the dependency remains. Today, the mining industry forces the city to move. State ownership of firms and land heavily constrains what local actors can do. Even here, in the second largest municipality in the world, there is little land to relocate to.
Tatabánya faced a deep economic, social and environmental crisis in the early 1990s. Path-breaking change was induced by the municipality through a series of institutional innovations, including the development of Hungary's largest industrial park. The city is considered today a model for export-focused industrial recovery. Nevertheless, we challenge this narrative and show the drawbacks of this process, such as social exclusion, environmental degradation, the loss of control over local space, and the rise of new dependencies.
For me, it was very interesting to examine how, in the Czech case study towns, the firms and traditional industries have been transformed into successful knowledge-based enterprises that are competitive in the global market. Moreover, their activities are often very strongly embedded in local structures and therefore support local development also in a non-economic point of view. In some cases, this positive change happened with the help of foreign direct investment, which may appear as surprising in the context of small old industrial towns.
Old industrial places usually evoke images and stories of forgotten places. However, local agents can also contest these narratives and imaginaries, promoting and creating new ones. My case studies, Zeitz and Lauchhammer, experienced a considerable decrease in economic activity and population numbers after 1990, and are affected today by the German exit from lignite mining. Now they have to rethink their future and build a new vision for their development.
One case we're focusing on is Llanelli. Key legacies of industry in the area include poor health and unemployment. Investment programmes between neighbouring regions known as city deals aim to tackle such issues, amongst others. Funded by UK and Welsh governments, the public and private sectors, the Swansea-based City Deal includes the Pentre Awel Wellness and Life Science Village development in Llanelli, which is a multi-scalar collaborative project. In this innovative approach, improving health and well-being is seen not only as a goal, but also as the mechanism for achieving it.
These cases show the diversity of regional challenge in Europe. In spite of the diversity, there is something in common in these cases. These places face the challenge of creating a new path into the future. This can happen when local actors mobilize ideas, resources and support across various economic and political networks within and beyond regions. Often, agents of change have to act against various structural, institutional and cultural legacies to create new perspectives and a shared vision of the future.